Good day everyone, I'm Kuya Ariel. I would like to inform this if Manila has boss to you, Bantayan Island also has Idol Cho Brian. So if you want to earn the link you found it, Idol Cho Brian. You are not from Bantayan Island if you don't know him. But for those who haven't know of Cho Brian, let me introduce him to you. Idol Cho Brian is one of my idol and a famous content creator here on the island. He became famous for his content about game, giving rise to everyone, which made him popular among many. He gained even more fame when he was featured on a television of KMGS by Jessica Soho regarding the gold found by the people in the lighthouse or Parula on Bantayan Island. Now he has over 500,000 followers on Facebook. Cho Brian has content that is really popular because he is the only one on the island who can identify the quality and if it's not fake or the gold and even the silver. Idol Cho Brian is one of the content creators or bloggers here on our beloved island whose I greatly admire because of his pure heart, and despite the fame he enjoys, you really won't see anything changes in his behavior. And for everyone's information, Cho Brian mga idol has a heart ready to help to others. Idol Cho Brian was one of those who sent us aid when we went to Northern Cebu due to the earthquake, and also provide assistance to our one of content creator, our companion here when they were affected by the typhoon here. These are just few of the help he has given by Cho Brian. And if you made it to this part of this video mga idol, can you please comment down below when you're from so I can know where the video has reached. And if you haven't followed me yet, so please do so, and we'll see each other in the next video. And before this video's end, I want to thank Idol Cho Brian for all his good deeds, and I hope you receive many more blessings and can help many more people. Once again, I'm Kuya Ariel TV, wanted to spread love to everyone and wishing God bless to everyone. God bless us all!